Hi, you know what? If you've been seeing some of my videos, you know one thing. Life is all about proteins and amino acids. You know what? Let me tell you why. You see what this crazy thing is? This is actually a protein. And what's it made of? It is made of thousands upon thousands of individual amino acids that are strung together in a specific way to make a protein. Whether it's keratin, whether it's collagen, elastin, this is how all proteins are made. All right. So what happens when we eat proteins? It goes down into our stomach, and our stomach will then take and break those proteins down into those individual amino acids, super tiny superheroes, protein building components. And then what happens is it gets into your bloodstream, and they're ferreted out in this wondrous structures of our body to feed each and every one of our cells, so our individual cells can make more proteins. Kind of a crazy, amazing process that happens. Well, guess what? In the area of eyelashes, it's no different. Here's what happens. These individual proteins get broken down. They're put into small little amino acids like this, and they're ferreted out into the bloodstream. Look right here. This is actually the bottom of a hair follicle that would be in your eyelash. And you see the blood supply right there that goes to that? But for some reason, as we age, the abundance of amino acids begins to decrease in our skin, in our hair follicles, and other places of extremities. It's just part of the aging process. So how can we help that? How can we actually help enhance our eyelashes so they look better and much nicer and much longer and much thicker and look much more dense? Well, we can employ a special strategy. Here's another look. We can actually topically apply amino acids to the base of our eyelashes. And what does this do? This actually increases all the hydration along our eyelash. It actually gets into the hair follicle and helps lubricate, hydrate, and even provides these amazing amino acids that are the building blocks of all of this protein known as hair. Let me explain something right here. We've done some amazing test tube tests in vitro. And right down here at the base, there's these little cells. They're called protocells. And these were the cells that eventually will become hair follicles. And we've applied certain ingredients in them, like peptides and amino acids, and been able to increase their proliferation by about 400% just in a test tube. Now, by employing this strategy, what we're able to do is create an environment where we can enhance the appearance, the length, the thickness, the fullness, and the density of your eyelashes. Here's another amazing fact. When your eyelash grows, it comes out to the surface like this, and then eventually it just falls off. It has a short life and it falls off. So another strategy you can do is to actually strengthen the individual shafts when they come out and make them more flexible. So they grow longer and longer. They're able to stay on longer before they break off and fall. That's another strategy employed with the product that we call Lash Genesis. Now, what Lash Genesis does is it supplies all these amazing peptides that help in the process that we have shown proliferate these protocells. Next, all the individual building blocks called amino acids. Remember, every single protein in your body is made of thousands and thousands of these individual proteins, and the amino acids are what they're made of. You really can't make any proteins. You can't make any hair follicles. You can't make anything else without all of these individual amino acids. So Lash Genesis is all about a new and powerful strategy for literally nourishing the hair follicle with what it's made of, amino acids, to help put it in a better position where it can lubricate, hydrate, help these hair shafts stay longer before they break off, and the end result is more beautiful, radiant, and youthful looking lashes without any of the side effects that might be associated with some of the drug medications or other kinds of products that do similar things. AminoGenesis is a natural-based product using nature's building blocks, the superheroes of life, called amino acids. And that's why this product is so effective. We hope you like Lash Genesis. I think you'll see the results will speak for themselves, and feel confident that you're using a product based on really, really good science and not just a lot of fluff. I hope this helps today. Thanks for listening. Bye now.